Hi, good morning everyone. QE टीम आ गई क्या? सबसे पीछे. Okay. So yesterday I was coming to Goa in the flight, and I was in the middle seat, and a new person was sitting just beside me, and he was like talking to me and talking and talking, and I had no choice but to listen to him because on the other side my manager was sitting. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब उनसे तो बात करते रहते हैं, तो मैंने सोचा इसकी सुन लेते हैं. And that person was telling me, I work in Doubtnet, and I was thinking, does it really exist? There is doubt in the name itself. And later that person also asked me, where do you work? I said Sumology. He didn't believe me, and he said, you are making this up. There is no company with such name. And then finally we landed, and he turned off the airplane mode, and firstly he searched on Google if it exists or not. So it is like that. So after actually I joined Sumo virtually last year. So I always met people virtually in the starting, and it is really very difficult to understand the accent of everyone, especially while our videos are off. QE meeting में ऐसा नहीं होता, वहाँ on करवा देते हमसे. But with other teams, I was in a meeting once, and just some discussion was going on, and someone just said, "Hey Oma, what do you think?" And everyone was waiting for a reply, and no one. And one of my teammates just said, "Umang, आपसे पूछ रहे हैं ये." Then I realized my name could sound so different and different accents. So when I joined Sumo, I was onboarded to a lot of features, and there were certifications in place for every feature. And after completing all of those certifications, they were telling me, this is not going to be your primary task. I said, okay, what will be the primary task? There is something known as QE on call. In which you will be receiving alerts whole day, whole night, for a whole week. And these alerts, after few on calls I observed, these alerts fire majorly when you are in mid of something. Like when you are taking your meals or when you are in washroom. And somehow I feel they know. I feel I am not monitoring the productions. Productions are monitoring me. One day at 5 a.m. in the morning, I was checking an alert, and my father just woke up and he was very happy. It's good you woke up so early. Let's go for a walk. And now my family knows how to wake me up. They just call me and say, there's an alert for you. And I remember during my first on-call duty, it is not very straightforward, I'm telling you. Handling these alerts, it is not very straightforward. During my first on-call duty, I was checking an alert, and I was like moving from one link to second to third, and back to the first link. And then I pinged my onboarding buddy to seek some help. Like, there is an alert, please, can you guide me? And she replied, there is a good playbook for this, please refer to it. I didn't even know what a playbook is. And I was told, if any new keyword comes up, you better Google it first. I searched on Google, playbook. Google said it's a book which contains sports team strategies, especially American football. And I was thinking, sumo is in sports also. I didn't know. So, after spending some days in sumo, I observed like such team has the highest confidence. They have so much confidence. Like you ask them something, they don't give you a simple reply. They share you a search query. And I'm telling you, most of the times the query is more complex than your actual question. So, and the real situation is, whenever the issue comes in any feature apart from search, the reason is always search. But when the issue comes in search, the reason is AWS. That's why our QE team has created a channel, Talk Stack Stability. The actual name was Talk AWS Stability. But due to copyright issues, उसमें हम फोन करके पूछते हैं उनसे AWS से कि ऐसे बता रहे हैं यहाँ AWS to confirm. And our QE team has some very nice initiatives in every quarter. Like in this existing quarter, our QE team has started a new campaign, Test Pyramid and ITUT. They were telling me the pyramid is inverted right now. But I have never seen an inverted pyramid in my life. I said, okay, let's work for this. And after spending a few days, our team created a huge backlog of few thousand Jiras of like add ITUT for this, for that, and assigned to different feature teams. But one of the feature team comes back to me and asking, what does ITUT mean? I said, integration test, unit test. And what are these? I said, these are test types. Then who should do it? Then only I realized that I have spent my one sprint to create a backlog for 1 year. And this ITUT as a concept is so much indulged in our team, every member of our team, that whatever be the discussion going on, the end result, the end action item is always to add IT and UT. Really. And even on the personal note also, once my mother was asking me what you would like to have for dinner, and I was busy. I said ITUT. My wife was asking me, please plan a trip to somewhere. And I said, let's see pyramids of Giza. Let's see if they are inverted or not. So, this is the real situation currently. And specifically, my manager likes ITUT phrase very much. Like in every one-to-one meeting, I try to use this ITUT phrase at least 7 to 8 times. And he's happy about it. But sometimes he asks me a very challenging question. Like, what did you did differently in the last quarter? And I listed everything from test plans, automations, handling some escalations, and he interrupted me in between. Wait. This is you expected to do. This is part of your job already. What else you did? And I said, Mac OS upgrade. He said, No, that was one time activity. Tell me something that is recurring, that is you do on a regular basis. I said reconnecting Zscaler again and again. But he was not happy, so I said ITUT and he was. And then he asked me another question. On what thing you have spent most of your time in the last quarter? I said, last quarter, I spent most of my time in preparing the newsletter for last to last quarter. And he was like, you even didn't prepare it, even didn't mention everything in the newsletter correctly. I said, okay, you have mentioned a lot of things. It is not right. Like, सांस लिया करके ये भी लिखोगे क्या उसमें? And okay, then he said, okay, leave it. Like, think yourself like a owner of Sumo Logic. What you would do differently. Think like that. I said, I would first try to bring up the Sumo stock to 20. And he didn't stop there. He followed up with another question. Why 20? Why not 19 or 21? He was expecting that I share him a search query. But I gave a simple reply because I got them at 20. Then after this discussion, next day, I received a mail from the HR. We are sad to see you go. Thank you for your contributions. And I replied immediately, like, how can you fire me? Yesterday only my manager told me to consider myself as the owner of Sumo Logic. Thank you everyone. Thank you.